Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on top products in the market.
Today, we're diving into the Dometic Brisk 2 15,000 BTU air conditioner, touted as one of the best in its class.
Whether you're hitting the road in an RV or looking to upgrade your current setup, this might just be the cooling solution you've been searching for.
Let's start with the basics.
The Dometic Brisk 2 offers a robust 15,000 BTUs of cooling power,
Designed to keep you comfortable in various climates. It's specially built for RVs, with a streamlined rooftop profile that enhances aerodynamics and reduces drag, making it ideal for travel enthusiasts. Imagine traveling through scorching deserts or humid coastal areas. The Dometic Brisk 2 ensures you can relax in a cool, comfortable environment wherever you roam. Its intuitive controls allow you to adjust settings effortlessly, adapting to changing temperatures without hassle.
While discussing air conditioners for RVs, it's crucial to weigh options.
The Dometic Brisk 2 stands out due to its balance of performance, durability, and ease of use, setting a benchmark in the industry.
Wrapping up, the Dometic Brisk 2 15,000 BTU air conditioner is more than just a cooling unit. It's a companion for your journeys, ensuring comfort and reliability on the road. If you're in the market for a dependable RV air conditioner that doesn't compromise on performance, this could be the perfect fit for you. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on top products like the Dometic Brisk 2. Until next time, stay cool and keep exploring with Product Critique.